बहुत टाइम है ना हमारे पास।
और क्या?
अभी बताइए कि आप बहुत बड़े एक्टर के बेटे नहीं हैं, किसी डायरेक्टर के भांजे भतीजे नहीं
जी।
हैं, नए नए आए आप इंडस्ट्री में, बहुत फेमस सीरियल के लीड हीरो, फिर काय पोचे, फिर आमिर खान के साथ फिल्म, फिर उसके बाद टाइटल रोल ब्योमकेश बख्शी, और अब धोनी, यू आर प्लेइंग द धोनी। बस मेहनत तो बहुत लोग करते हैं, इतनी किस्मत बहुत कम में होती है।
हाँ, नहीं ऐसा तुक्का नहीं होता, तुक्का नहीं। और अगर एक बार लग भी जाए तो बार बार नहीं लगता,
बार बार नहीं लगता।
ये सिर्फ एक ही चीज की वजह से होता है। नो मैटर आप कहीं से भी हो, सारी हिस्ट्री अगेंस्ट हो, फैक्ट्स अगेंस्ट हो, लेकिन अगर आपको कैसे भी अपने आप को लॉजिकली कन्विंस करा दे कि जो आप सपना देख रहे हैं वो हो जाएगा, तो वो हो जाता है।
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे सुशांत? हाउ यू फीलिंग राइट नाउ?
9 साल हो गए माँ के गए हुए, जब मैं 16 साल का था। और माँ गई तब तक, और जब तक थी मेरे साथ तब तक मैंने कुछ नहीं किया था। लेकिन माँ के जाने के बाद जितना भी कुछ हुआ अच्छा, मेरी छोटी छोटी बात पे खुश होती थी। आज इतना कुछ अच्छा है लेकिन बट शी इज़ नॉट देयर। लेकिन हमेशा मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोचा करती थी कि मैं ऐसा कभी कुछ करूँगा। मैंने ये गाना सुना तो बस वही मैं श्योर कि मुझे इस पे कुछ करना है, बिकॉज मेरे अंदर से आ रहा था और मैं माँ को ये बताना चाहता था कि रियली मिस यू।
I don't know whether people get it or not, but I have started from nothing, absolutely nothing. It's not even zero, it's like minus, because I was doing something else. There was a momentum to become an engineer, and suddenly I discovered this thing that I really like, and I start doing it. But at the same time, I think I would value a massive failure more than a mediocre success.
तुम्हारा रिजल्ट डिसाइड नहीं करता तुम लूजर हो कि नहीं, तुम्हारी कोशिश डिसाइड करती है। पर कोशिश तो आपने बहुत करी ना बेटा।
Most important thing that we miss or we want in our lives, we want to be understood by somebody else. And when you act, that is what happens. I mean, like when that resonance happens, when you feel something, you
connect it,
and they get it. That's the resonance that happens, and you feel so good about it.
And do you get sad or not even that?
Of course, I do get sad all the time. Because we are so conditioned into thinking that there will be a day when we'll do something, and that's when people will recognize who you are, and that will be the day. When you have to, when you're continuously thinking what people think of you, is when the failure is defined, the success is defined, your excitement is defined. As a kid, I also had many dreams, like common dreams. You know, I'll buy my own house and I'll buy this car, it's a luxury car. So these things were there, and now when I started earning money to an extent that I could actually afford all these things, what happened? That while I was doing my work, I also was realizing this fact that everything that I stayed with for so many years, for like 20 years of my life, thinking that one day I'll get this and then I'll arrive, I'll be successful. Those things just stayed with me for a few days, and I very quickly got used to owning those things. You tell me I'm a superstar, I'll take it. You tell me that you're the biggest star, you would be the biggest star of this industry, I'll say probably yes. And if you tell me that I don't think that you're a star, I'm with you. तब होता है ना जब आप फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रहे हो और आप सोच रहे हो कि एक दिन कुछ अच्छा होगा, तब तक मैं ऐसा इसको सह लूंगा। ऐसा है ही नहीं, वो फ्यूचर में है ही नहीं, वो पास्ट में है ही नहीं, वो अभी में। So a very successful, good-looking guy becomes paraplegic, and a regular guy wins a lottery. So there is a huge spike in both the graphs, and after 6 months, they come back to their neutral position. Everybody of them. So this is what we do so we overestimate the impact that's going to happen if we are successful or if we fail. But it doesn't happen like that.
Oh yeah, whose career would you like to emulate?
My career, 20. I would like to be what I want to be 20 years down the line. So if I get there, I'll be very happy. It's very hard to be a good actor. It's harder to be a good human being, and I want to be both before I'm done. So probably that.
जिस महफिल ने ठुकराया हमको, क्यों उस महफिल को याद कर, आगे लम्हे बुला रहे हैं, आओ।
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Click on the bell icon for notifications.